Repairing a dent or scratch may sound like a lot of work, but with ColorSpec Paint Finishers, achieving professional results has never been as fast, easy and affordable. Clean the repair area and surrounding substrate with wax and grease remover. Look up paint code, found in door jamb or under bonnet on majority of vehicles. Mask off the repair area using masking paper and tape to protect adjacent panels. Apply 2 to 3 medium coats of ColorSpec Primer Surfacer. Shake can vigorously for 5 minutes after the ball bearings begin to rattle. When there are small dents on the base of the can, the primer is ready to spray. Leave for 5 minutes dry time between each coat. For best results, leave for 4 hours or overnight to dry before sanding. Unmask repair area and firstly sand with 600 dry or 800 wet and dry sandpaper to remove surface imperfections and sandpaper scratches from the repair process. Prepare surrounding area with Meguiar's Ultimate Compound to assist with adhesion. Clean the repair area and surrounding substrate with wax and grease remover. Using masking paper and tape, mask off complete panel in preparation for the paint application to ensure no overspray on adjacent panels. Test spray to ensure you have accurate spray control. Apply a minimum 3 coats of ColorSpec base coat. Make sure primed area is fully covered to achieve correct colour match. Leave for 5 minutes dry time between each coat. For best results, leave for 40 minutes to dry. After the base coat is dry, apply 2 to 3 coats of ColorSpec Acrylic Clear. This is required for UV protection and to match the original gloss finish. Leave to dry for a minimum of 4 hours or overnight. After clear is dry, finish with Meguiar's Ultimate Compound to achieve a smooth gloss finish. If there are any dirt inclusions or imperfections, sand with 1500 wet and dry sandpaper first. Your repair is now complete. For this and other helpful step-by-step how-to videos, head to the website ColorSpec Refinish Paint System.